Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most trusted names in farming, the TAFE tractor, closely associated with Massey Ferguson. Known for reliability, strong build, and fuel efficiency, TAFE tractors have earned the trust of farmers across the world, especially in South Asia and Africa. The model we're focusing on today is known for its simplicity and power. A workhorse built to last in all kinds of terrains. Whether it's plowing, cultivating, or hauling heavy loads, this tractor handles everything with ease. One of the biggest advantages of TAFE tractors is their low maintenance cost and easy availability of spare parts. That means less downtime and more productivity in the field. Under the hood, it usually comes with a powerful engine that delivers high torque at low RPMs, which is perfect for fieldwork. The fuel tank is large enough to support long hours of operation without frequent refueling. Most models come with power steering, oil-immersed brakes, and strong hydraulics, making operations smoother and more efficient. The Massey Ferguson connection also gives it a mark of trust. TAFE manufactures many models in partnership with Massey Ferguson, sharing the same technology and quality standards. That's why these tractors are not only affordable but also highly durable. When it comes to design, TAFE tractors have a classic look that many farmers appreciate. They're easy to drive and control, even for beginners. The seating is comfortable and visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, which makes long hours in the field less tiring. One thing that stands out is the resale value. Even after years of use, TAFE tractors maintain good value in the market. That's a major plus for anyone thinking about long-term investment. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or managing large fields, a TAFE tractor can be a smart and dependable choice. It's a true example of performance, simplicity, and strength, all packed in one machine.